Ready to turn your TikTok feed into a thriving storefront and start selling directly to millions in the UK? First, you need to meet the basic requirements. You'll need a valid UK business registration, like a limited company or sole proprietorship. Make sure your business details are consistent across all platforms. Next, you'll need to head over to the TikTok Seller Center website, link in the description. You'll create an account and provide all the required business information, including your business registration number, contact details, and VAT information. Once your account is approved, this can take a few days. You can start adding products. High quality images and videos are a must. Write clear, concise descriptions with relevant keywords to help people find your items. Don't forget about pricing and shipping. Research your competitors to set competitive prices and offer reasonable shipping options. Consider offering free shipping over a certain order value to incentivize purchases. Now for the fun part, promoting your shop. Use TikTok's built-in marketing tools like TikTok ads, or collaborate with influencers to reach a wider audience. Engage with your customers in the comments and create compelling content that showcases your products. Remember to stay up to date on TikTok's community guidelines and seller policies to ensure you maintain a positive standing on the platform. Happy selling!